Okay everyone, this is Jeremy McLaren, Director of Marketing for Qolsys. And today I want to show you how you can take one of our videos and make it your own. The first thing you want to do is you want to get the video file. So you're going to go to Qolsys.com, click on Dealers, and you're going to click on Dealer Login here in the upper right corner. Log into the dealer portal with your proper credentials. If you don't have credentials, you'll just need to send an email to portalaccess@qolsys.com and you can request access there. Once there, you'll see the tabs at the top. You're going to want to click on Sales and Marketing Materials. That's where we keep all the commercials. You'll go down here and we're going to choose the IQ panel Walk Through Life with the sneak peek of the new UI coming soon. So I'm going to download this file. And when I click download, it opens up a new window, but it will also pull over that file into my Finder window. I'll bring that right here. So downloads, you can see here it is downloading. Go up here to iMovie and click Create. We're going to create a new video. And it's going to pull up my options here. And I'm going to choose no theme because I don't want some of this comic book or film strip or things like that. So I'm going to click Create. And I'm going to give my movie a name. So here's my event, and you can see there's no content here. This is where the preview of my movie will go. This is where all my content is. You can also see down here there's various transitions, titles, maps, backgrounds, things like that I can add to it. So I'm going to start by dragging in this company logo that I made. And voila, there's the company logo. Now you can see up in the upper right here, it's already got a little bit of a transition to it. That's what's called Ken Burns, and it gives it a little bit of interest. And you can see this underline here is saying that it's been cropped a little bit with Ken Burns, and I can go and click on that, click Ken Burns, and I can change that. Whatever I want to do, I can adjust that, and you can see this is where it's going to start and then it's going to end. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to pull in my video, and you can see it's finished downloading here. So I'm going to click on this video and I'm going to drag this down onto my movie. Okay. And here is my company logo, and here's the video all in there, and you can see it's in there in its entirety. In order to brand it myself, I want my company logo to be here instead of the Qolsys logo. So I'm going to go along until I find the Qolsys logo, and I can just click my mouse anywhere in here. I can also hit spacebar to let it play. There's the Qolsys logo, so I'm going to press spacebar. I'm going to go back, and I'm using my back arrow key to go backwards until I get to the beginning of this sequence. Okay, so there it is. That's all just a white screen. And now I'm going to take my mouse, right click right on that line, and I'm going to click split clip. So I'm splitting the clip, which is separating this out. Now I don't just want to delete this. I want to pull my company logo into here. But you'll notice this down here, this is audio track, which means that if I have this, my music's going to just stop right there as soon as I split that clip. So I want to take this, I want to right click this and click Detach Audio. So now you can see the audio from the music is not with the clip anymore, it's below the clip, and I can take it and click it and drag it over here. And now I can delete that other clip. Now I want this to be longer, I want it to be as long as my music is. I've got my whole clip in its entirety. I wanted to add in my phone number or something like that so people could call me. So I'm going to take this, these are all this is titles. I'm going to choose standard, and I just take it and pull it. I'm going to put order today. There's my phone number, and then I'll also put my website. So security.com or whatever your website happens to be. Okay, but there you go. So now my whole video. Now that I've built the video, it's time to export it or share it. So I'm going to click Share up in the top corner here, and I'm going to click File. You could share it straight to YouTube or Facebook or things like that, but I want the file so I can use it and put it on my website or use it on my iPad or whatever. Give it a name, and then click Next, and I'm going to choose where I want to save it. So I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Here's my dealer-specific commercial, and I click Save, and you can see this little progress bar in the top corner, and then once it's done, it will give you a little message saying your video is complete and you're ready to go. Guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions at all, send me an email, jeremy.mclaren@qolsys.com. I'd be happy to answer your questions. We want to make sure that you guys have the support you need to be successful. Thanks again for watching.